Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about exponential functions. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if we want to find an equation, this is about exponential and they go through the points. This one. So now I will show you. The first thing we have y equal to ab to the power of x. We know that this is about x, this is about y, x, y. And now, because they have 2 points, that means we need to create the system of equations. So, y, we put number 5 cone here. X, that is about negative number 2. So 160 cone here. And x, that is about number 3. So in this situation, I will use this one divide by this one. So we have like this. Now we simplify this one. So b to the power of negative number 2 go to numerator. So we have b squared. 8 and 8 we simplify. So number 3 plus number 2 we have number 5. This one we calculate and we have 32. So we can find the value of b, that is about number 2. After we have number 2, we can find the value of 8. So 8 equal to number 5 multiplied by number 2 to the power of 2. So this one we have 20. And now we can go back in here. So A, that is about 20. B, that is about number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.